Hello, welcome to Initial Solution. I'm going to show you how to write a book in ChatGPT. Let's start. Log into your account, type your prompt such as write a book on glass and click on this. Now type write chapter 1 Introduction to Glass. You can write further by giving more instruction. ChatGPT will write a book. That's it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphics design, UI/UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.